Hello, welcome to GetMoneyRich.com. Are you an investor? Are you considering investing in stocks to appreciate your money over time? Then you have come to the right place. At GetMoneyRich.com, we have invested nearly a decade improving our algorithms to identify stocks that are worth investing in. Let me give you a quick tour of how you can use the stock engine to identify the right stock for investment. As an investor, a question that we perhaps ask every day is, if I have, say, 1,000 rupees today, in which stock should I invest in so that after, say, 5 years or 10 years, the value of my investment appreciates to higher than 1,000 rupees? For example, if someone had invested 10,000 rupees in TCS 10 years ago, then the valuation of that investment today would be almost 48,500 rupees. Imagine a 485% increase. So allow us to help you find such stocks that could potentially appreciate your invested money with time. We offer 3 indicators to help you identify the right stock to invest in. Before I tell you about the 3 indicators, let me tell you a secret first for finding the right stock. The Get Money Rich rule is, if a stock price is lower than its intrinsic value and the overall score of the stock is greater than 75, then you may want to consider investing your money in that stock. Simple? Let's go one level deeper and understand the intrinsic value and the overall score a little more. The intrinsic value is the value of an investment based on the company's financial situation, the current market, and the economic conditions. Pretty diverse, right? I don't blame you. It indeed requires evaluating a multitude of factors to arrive at the intrinsic value. But not to worry. GetMoneyRich.com has invested, as I said, almost a decade improving multiple algorithms to calculate the intrinsic value of the stock. How many models do you think we use to arrive at the intrinsic value? 1? Not 1. 2 maybe? Not even 2. How about 3? Not even 3. We use 5 mathematical models to calculate the intrinsic value and derive one powerful and reliable intrinsic value that you see for a stock in the engine. So intrinsic value is great, very powerful, but comprehensiveness is the dominant attribute in the Get Money Rich DNA. So let me introduce the overall score. The overall score model performs fundamental analysis on 10 years of company data and 6 different parameters like, how is the overall management of the company as their decision impacts the future of the company? How is the financial health of the company? Because a healthy company financial means the company can grow. What is the competitive advantage of the company? More the advantage, it indicates the company is likely to thrive. How is the company growing? Because more growth means better results for the investors. How profitable is their business? As more profit translates into more gains for the investors. And how's the current stock price? As the stock price is the final result of everything that's happening in and outside of the company. It's essential to consider all these 6 parameters in your investment decision. Sounds complex? And are you thinking, how will I do it? Allow us to make it simple for you. We analyze each stock for you and generate the indicator overall score so that you can only focus on making the big investment decision while we do the analysis for you. Ready to make your investment decisions? Brilliant. Let's get right into the stock engine. You can use the big screener to evaluate all the stocks using the intrinsic value and the overall score. But we understand you may have a different investment style. Are you the one who likes to keep decisions simple? Great. Leave the analysis to us. Just use the intrinsic value and the overall score in the big screener to make your decision. Are you the one who likes to research before making a decision? To satisfy the researcher's curiosity, let me introduce the screener themes to you. We have curated 18 themes and growing to help you think like a financial analyst. Let me give you an example. You want to pick stocks like Warren Buffett? Sure, use the Warren Buffett type stocks theme. The stock engine has the third indicator, Get Money Rich Score, aka the GMR score, which is an indicator designed for each theme. So for example, the GMR score in Warren Buffett screener encapsulates the complexity of the analysis done using the Warren Buffett approach and presents the final result as an indicator so that it's easy for you. So let the stock engine do the number crunching for you so that you can easily make the investment decision for your financial independence. This was just one. Use the other themes like find the best stocks in the market or find the most profitable ones. How about I'm in a mood to invest in the high returning stocks or find all the legendary undervalued stocks? Or you're in a risk taking mode. You want to look at the fastest growing stocks and more to help you, find the right stocks using the three indicators, intrinsic value, overall score, and the GMR score. Now that you have identified your stock using a theme, but you want to research deeper into the fundamental analysis, sure, click on the stock to view the fundamental analysis page. Look at the price summary or look at the 10-year price trend to get a sense of what to expect in the future. Look at the recent results and the valuation summary. It will provide the data points you need to see how the company is performing. Look at the overall score breakup to see how the company fares on the 6 parameters that constitutes the overall score. Look at the comparison of price with the intrinsic value to find if the stock is over or undervalued. Also get a glimpse of what has been the maximum and the minimum intrinsic value. Look at the top 5 competitors and see how this company compares with them. Look at the performance summary over the last 10 years. Get one level deeper and look at the financial ratios to get even a deeper insight. All the 3 scores, screeners, and a deep dive into the stock would give you a multi-dimensional view of how this stock is performing. Now that you have the stock engine to help you make the decision, what are you waiting for? Go right ahead and start using the stock engine. You can subscribe to use the stock engine right away. So there you go. Happy investing.